Hello YouTube, it's time for an Avalanche. So today we thought we would do a kind of challenge.
Face paint challenge.
We kind of, well, she came up with it.
Myself, probably someone done it before, but
whatever, we're gonna do it. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna Google like face painting and just see what comes up, and then we're gonna pick one that we're gonna try to paint on the other. And we'll show you the picture, but we won't show each other.
So we won't know what we're going to be
at
the end.
Yes, so we're just gonna go with it and try. Let's do it.
Woohoo! Okay, this is what I'm going to try to make on Kristi.
I'm getting nervous.
Okay, I'm gonna start with the nose with this red lipstick. We didn't really have like real face painting.
Yeah.
But we took what we had. Oh, that's perfect. I'm gonna use the white thing.
Beautiful yet?
Don't move your face.
It smells really weird. She's got a ticket to her own show. Nobody wants to go.
I'm gonna use this.
Just show them what you're using.
Using this ginormous eyeshadow palette I bought on eBay. eBay's my life.
I think I'm a bunny.
No, not at all. You're not a bunny. Picture and product. Okay, that's what you're gonna.
Woo! Wow, wait. I'm gonna look at myself. Oh, wow!
Yeah.
I'm really impressed. Okay, your turn.
So this is the picture I'm gonna use.
Let's do this.
Sexy and free. Really on me.
Ooh, my arm is dying.
Your face is all ugly.
Excuse Excuse me.
Thank you. I stay important from England. Imported from Spain. Imported from Turkey. And Turkey imported from me. You go too. I feel like I'm a chicken.
All finished. Woo! Woo! So this is the picture, and there's Jenny. I think I did a pretty good job.
And see.
Oh, so cute!
I need to see myself.
Whoa!
You did a good job.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you for watching.
I hope you liked it, and you may leave a comment below with who you think did it best.
Or not,
We're not gonna get any comments.
because no one gonna vote for me. Because that was not real good.
You could
If you have-
subscribe to us and like this video.
And give us comments on who you think did it the best.
Yes. So we'll see you very soon with another video.
Please give us ideas
Yes.
if you
We are.
have some.
We'll see you soon.
Avalanche! It feels good.
Feels good.
Feels good.
And I'm feeling good.
Dun, 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 dun. Bow.